say here, when I was reading the statement, I mentioned that we need an amount of around 8.5 billion USD, and 3.5 billion is being domestically mobilized. So there is ample scope for the South Asian countries to come together as a region, both in adaptation and mitigation. There may be innovation in the agricultural field somewhere in South Asia, from where all other countries can benefit. We can think of the energy supply sector in South Asia, where through regional cooperation we can rely more on hydro that is being produced in Nepal and Bhutan. And we can come up with a regional cooperation framework through which we can think of having a regional grid that will be managed by more than one country in the region, and through which we can bring hydro from Nepal and Bhutan to countries like ours. So of course there is ample scope for collaboration and cooperation, even on the issue of Himalayan Hindu Kush region. We all are concerned about what is happening there in the Himalayas in terms of glacier melt. If that happens, that's not going to impact only Nepal, that's going to impact the water supply in the rivers of Bangladesh. That's going to intensify the sea level rise in Bangladesh. So there is ample scope for the region to come together, and while the international negotiation is taking decades to be concluded, is taking decades to deliver, the regions, I think, will have the imperatives, will have the necessary reasons to move forward faster. And there is ample reason for us to keep our trust in a multilateral process like this. If climate crisis happens the way it's being predicted, it's not only the most vulnerable countries that will be impacted, other countries will also be impacted. We can't forget what has just happened in Spain. So, multilateral process is proving to be slow, not as effective as we would like it to be, but we have to keep our confidence in it, and we have to engage. Because this is a process that not only connects the governments, it also connects the people of the world, and that is where the focus